The general report settings in QuickBooks Online appear in the Report Customization Settings section at the top of the report after you run a standard report. Note that these settings will change depending on the specific report, but many of these settings are common to all reports too. This lesson reviews the most common general report settings you will see in this Report Customization Settings section in QuickBooks Online. To change the date range of data shown in the report, select a choice from the Report Period dropdown in the Report Customization Settings section above the report to select from common date ranges. Alternatively, to select a specific start date and an ending date range for reports that use a date range, select choices from the adjacent From and To calendar drop-down fields. Alternatively, to select a single date as of which to show the data for reports that show data as of a date, select a date from the adjacent As Of calendar drop-down. To change the accounting method the report uses within reports that show data based on an accounting method, select either the Cash or Accrual toggle switch button. This only changes the report's data and has no bearing on the data recorded in QuickBooks Online or the accounting method you use for tax purposes. To add columns to a summary report by which to view the totals for each row in a summary report which shows an aggregation of values or totals, select a choice from the Display Columns By dropdown, which appears in the Report Customization Settings section. To then change the comparison columns and comparison calculation values in a summary report, click the adjacent Compare To dropdown in this same section. To add or remove columns for comparison, check or uncheck the desired checkboxes in the Time Period section of the drop-down menu that appears. To also add columns showing the change in dollar amounts or percentages for the columns or rows in the summary report, check the desired checkboxes under the Calculations section of this same drop-down menu. Relatedly, to select which column and row values to show in the report based on account activity or non-zero amounts if customizing a summary report, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings section to show the Customize pane at the right side of the report window. Then click the Show Non-Zero or Active section in the Customize pane that appears. Finally, choose either the Active, All, or Non-Zero option button for the Show Rows and Show Columns settings. Also, note you can change the general display of numbers in both summary and detail reports in QuickBooks Online by clicking the Number Format section in the Customize pane in a report and then changing its settings. To choose how numbers appear in the report, check or uncheck the Divide by 1000 or Round to the nearest whole number checkbox. To choose how to show negative number values in the report, select a choice from the Negative Numbers dropdown. To show negative numbers in red, check the Show in Red checkbox. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.